OK.
It's okay here?
Yeah, it's good. Perfect. 谢谢大布，谢谢大布，
谢谢布呀 ，Thank you, it's wonderful. Yeah, thank you.
谢谢大布，哎呀，碰不到，谢谢大布，谢谢小布，谢谢小布帮忙。Can I have a ketchup, buddy? 你们要那个沾这个，我们都沾番茄酱，沾这个。
哦，好。
通常外国人对吃牛
不可
排
很好吃。
这个很好吃。
I haven't tried this much sweet potato.
地瓜也很好吃。
See.
你不知道是谁的？Oh, I love my potato. 谁的 sweet potato 觉得
你要一点这个吗？
好好好。
我对
Okay.
It's Daddy's
It's
signature
okay.
sweet potato.
那你要点芥末吗？
I like it.
It's great.
It's okay.
Yeah.
然后有高丽菜，我把你们两个吃不惯。
How much sweet potato?
Can you what?
Or sweet potato, please.
Oh yeah.
You actually like it?
Here, take mine first, then I'll forget it.
Thanks.
The outside could be a little salty, so if you don't like it, just peel the skin off.
这个外面有盐，所以如果你觉得地瓜太咸，你可以把皮。
Sometimes the salt and the
Yeah.
sweet goes together nicely, so it depends on what you like.
这地瓜非常甜。
地瓜吗？
嗯。
弟弟还有花那个高丽菜，很中又很稀。可是配饭也很好。He's like, is that weird to eat rice? I was like, me and Jackson are supposed to eat with rice, so not a big deal.
And I recommend the wasabi.
OK。
建议沾一
很
点
好吃
点
哎。
芥末。She says really good.
Good. Thank you. It's cooked a little bit too much than I normally do.
它通常没有煮这么熟，可是因为外面风很大，造成那个 grill 看起来温度一直好像不到，所以它就一直往上调。
Everything tastes so good today.
对，通常他不喜欢吃牛
Even the
排。
pancakes. 他通常
他不是很爱吃牛排，因为可能比较嚼劲
The
吧。
pancakes were expected.
所以对。Oh really? The pancakes bad?
You have to be careful, okay?
Yeah.
我的 pancake 还是第一。
I don't like the rice enough just to eat like rice as a whole meal.
你有沾一点芥末吗？
有，很好吃，很香。
他们这边有一家店，那个 Arby， 它的三明治就是卖这种，可是切的很薄很薄很薄的肉片。然后呢，他会卖它的酱，不是芥末酱，是 horseradish， 就是白的酱。可是呢，就是芥末的味道。就是我们的芥末是绿的，可是他们这边是一种白色的，也是那种像萝卜那种东西，然后抹出来，可是是白色的。而且有时候那个会配虾子吃啊，或什么的。
不然 your steak is very great. Yeah. How do you then cook the steak?
Google.
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 Okay.
Yeah.
It's great.
It's okay.
And
I've done better.
I
wish
know
was
you have
better.
a very high standard.
他觉得他煮过更好吃的，这个太熟。
See, I wanted to quit my job, but now definitely hobby.
But Justin 是 he he has
It's not your fault though. It's
he has
the
a good
girl's
taste.
fault. Oh.
So he think you do the great.
That's
And
true. He also likes the burnt brathas.
Okay. He don't like the steak, but he eat all
That's true.
today.
Okay,
Tonight.
you want one more slice of his steak?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you picking more cooked one or less cooked one? No, I'm asking Daddy. Which
Yeah, I'm
slice
asking
he
Daddy.
got.
I think you like more cooked, right? Nice pick.
I want less cooked.
Okay.
Thank you, 不要 Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Yeah, it's very wonderful.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Jackson helped.
I know. That's why I say thank you.
Yeah.
Jackson.
I think you can open a private restaurant. Yeah,
A what restaurant?
on the mountain. This here. Just
A steakhouse?
say. 它可以开
Steakhouse
私厨，
Bouillon.
还可以做松饼。
Yeah, you can call it Steakhouse Bouillon.
Stay house,
牛排馆，无氧牛排
stay
馆。
house.
I'm like, why is an Indian name?
Sweet potatoes okay?
It's good.
Yeah.
Yeah.还 OK 的。爸，你还要一块吗？还是骨头不好吃？
Or maybe we could call it the Joe Bobby Steakhouse for
I don't
absolutely no
know.
reason.
九把币？嗯，九把币。
不容易下刀，
嗯，
不容易下刀，有什么
什么？
不容易下刀？
对啊，所以才问你要拿手起来啃的。
对，
做的很好哎、
他觉得很失望。
啊，这做的非常好。
My brothers think you did a really good job. But I say you disappointed yourself.
I have. I've done so much better than this.
他说我煮过更好吃的，这个不算什么。
You make rice fresh in the cooker?
所以爸爸，你要不要吃那个骨头吗？要帮你拿一块没有骨的吗？
我还是要把它啃掉。
OK， 好。因为我记得你说你不能吃太多肉，所以我不知道多少分量的肉对你是刚
The
刚
whole
好。
meal so far has been really good.
它这做的非常好，它的肉
Oh, and
还是
then
美
the
国
sweet
牛肉
potato piece.
就是比较高一点，
你有没有看到他买的是很厚的，
有很大一块
的
我觉得很难烹调那种。
Can I get another sweet potato piece?
If you went there, why didn't you use a knife there to help yourself?
Oh, there is?
Yeah, it's on the table over there.
You guys want any more?
He want more sweet potato. Or maybe give one selection like that. My dad's still fighting with the bone. 他给你一块没有骨头的，好不好？
OK，
This one?
thank you。
你给我咖喱看。Do you want some cabbage?
No.
Jackson, you have no choice. I'm gonna give you 3 pounds. Okay. That's it. 那你要吃这个吗？
你这只有用烤的，
烤箱烤的，
很好吃
今天早上
哎。
买的，
好
跟那
吃欸
个花姐买的。
One problem I have with this is like my tooth. This is like the worst time to eat steak because I still have teeth missing.
You cut the steak too big to bite. Try to cut a smaller bite. It might be easier for you.
我以为你用气炸锅
我们家没有去炸过。
卖掉了。
之前的
So
家
it
有。
hurts. Not that much.
Okay.
Only when it's too hard. Maybe I don't have to chew so hard.
This one's still not out yet, right? Still one more.
Left. This one.
That one's the one we removed it at dentist. And both of the right side fell out, or just one fell out?
Both.
Oh, then you're good. You don't need to go back to dentist then. 他上次有去吸笑气，然后把这一颗拔掉，
Yeah, that was not
因为
fun.
后面的已经推出
At all.
来了，
嗯，
然后
That was not fun at all.
前面还不肯走，
这很棒。
不去拔掉的话就会歪掉。
嗯，
Did you get some sweet potato or no?
吸笑气就不会痛
Yeah, can I have some sweet potato?
麻醉。
其实跟我们的麻醉程序一样，它只是多了一步，有吸笑气耶。我以为就是那样，结果没有，它还是有涂，然后还是有打针，
哦
可，是他就一直这样带着的。然后他很紧张，他说如果这个笑气没有发生作用，然后拔的时候很痛怎么办？
Surprise, you never like this. More?
I don't know. It also feels good to eat something that you help make.
I agree. Part of Jackson daddy and son meal, right?
Grab more.
This is the steak of father and son.
骨头也比较咸，你确定你不要饭吗？哦，你已经吃掉了。
Jason, you played a big part in
的
this.
确没错，比较细，因为它是变质。
对啊，因为边上涂的都是盐啊，那其他
Dang it! Why did they do that?
Ketchup on your
Why
steak?
did I do that?
It's okay if you like it that way.
No. I wasn't thinking like, ugh. And I'm
还
not.
可以再拿一些
Okay.
菜，就会比较不咸。
非常好吃。
I just had an idea. What if you soak tater tots in ketchup for 10 days and try to eat them?
It'd be disgusting.
Probably get sick.
No, but it's like dry age. I don't know.
How about you dry age with ketchup?
No. I mean like
It's
like
totally
fermented.
dry.
Fermented.
It's going to rot and grow more on it.
For like the ketchup. No. Not like putting aside the mold and stuff. Just ketchup being soaked into tater tots after a long time.
Yeah,
I think that would be good.
sounds disgusting. You keep no. I'm like, this is still disgusting. No matter what
No
you say,
more and then.
it's still disgusting. Do you need more wasabi?
Mommy, what do you call when you like take out that meat and like put it in this big bowl of just like a bunch of like
很
seasoning?
多，还有很多。
啊，对呀、
Yeah. What if you marinated tater tots?
Yeah.
What if you marinated tater tots in ketchup?
I don't know. It sounds really soft and disgusting.
No. and then put it in an oven so it gets burnt to a crisp. Like not like super like burnt, but like it's like crispy. Would you like it?
No.
Really? What about super crispy?
Let me help her. Hey, sit down. Sit down.
你还要肉吗？他说他拿给你，他拿给你，还是你要地瓜？地瓜的 sweet potato。
Oh, okay.
是的，是的，给我坐下。还要吗？是的。
你也想吃啊？
Yeah, I think I'll give it up on that grill.
Really?
Yeah. It's let me down too many times.
It happened to me one time. So I cooked the burger
Oh.
and it's just not rising.
There's so much that isn't working. There's just so much.
And it's so dark out there. How did you guys see?
Hold on.
Flashlights.
Flashlight.
Hold on.
Oh, Brandon. I know. This is your favorite food, isn't it? This is your favorite.
Brandon,
I got a piece for you, bud. Come here.
I'm gonna prepare a piece for Brandon. A masterpiece.
You got him?
No. You prepare your piece, and I'll be working on mine. Mine will be perfection.
I think you got him.
No, it's gonna take me a little bit to make it work.
Brandon making a rice beef ball.
You want it? And now I'll just wash my hands. Making masterpieces have the cost of me to wash your hands afterward.
Brandon, sit. Sit.
Did you give me a piece already?
Jackson, sit.
Yeah. He's like, I do.
Down.
It tastes so good.
Down.
Give me more.
Down.
Give me more.